You're over 50, feeling like your body's betraying you. Muscle aches, energy's fading, and those eggs you've been eating for breakfast, thinking they're the holy grail of protein, just aren't cutting it anymore. What if I told you there's a tiny, ancient super seed, yes, a seed that's been hiding in plain sight, packed with so much power it could help you rebuild muscle, reclaim your strength, and feel like you're 30 again? No, this isn't some trendy fad or a magic pill. It's a game changer backed by science, and by the end of this, you'll know exactly why this seed is rewriting the rules for staying strong after 50. Stick with me because this could be the secret you've been searching for your whole life. You hit 50, and suddenly, your body feels like it's playing by a new set of rules. Your muscles don't bounce back like they used to. That old injury from your 20s starts creeping up again. You're tired, stiff, and maybe even a little scared that this is just how it's going to be from now on. It's called sarcopenia, fancy word, terrifying reality. It's the age-related muscle loss that starts sneaking in after 40, stealing about 1–2% of your muscle mass every year. By 60, you could lose up to 30% of the strength you had in your prime. What if the breakfast staple you've been leaning on, like eggs, isn't enough to fight this? Eggs are great, don't get me wrong. They're packed with protein, about 6 grams per egg, and they've been the go-to for bodybuilders and health nuts forever. But as you age, your body needs more than just protein. It needs nutrients that work smarter, not harder, to rebuild muscle, reduce inflammation, and keep your joints moving like a well-oiled machine. Yes, chia seeds, those tiny black specks you might have sprinkled on a smoothie once or twice. They're not just for hipster cafes or Instagram-worthy bowls. These seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, and they've been around for centuries, fueling warriors and athletes in ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans. 1 tablespoon, just 28 grams, delivers 11 grams of fiber, 5 grams of protein, and a boatload of omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. But what makes chia the ultimate muscle rebuilding secret for those over 50? It's not just about the nutrients, it's how they work together to tackle the specific challenges your body faces as you age. Officially, chia seeds are the seeds of the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Central America. They're small, oval, and usually black or white, with a unique ability to absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like texture that's easy to digest. That's key when your digestive system isn't as spry as it was in your 30s. The protein in chia isn't just any protein, it's a complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. These amino acids are the building blocks of muscle, and after 50, your body's less efficient at using them, so you need a source that's bioavailable and easy to process. Chia's got that covered. They're anti-inflammatory heavyweights, reducing the chronic low-grade inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown and joint pain as you age. And let's not forget the calcium and magnesium, crucial for bone health and muscle function, especially when osteoporosis and weak bones start looming. Studies, like one from the Journal of Nutrition in 2015, show that omega-3s can enhance muscle protein synthesis, helping you build and maintain muscle even as sarcopenia tries to take over. Another study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that diets high in plant-based protein, like chia, improve muscle mass and strength in older adults better than animal-based proteins alone in some cases. Eggs are good, but chia's a whole different beast. You're 55, and instead of feeling like you're slowing down, you're lifting heavier weights at the gym, hiking with your grandkids without gasping for air, or even just getting out of bed without that creaky, achy feeling. That's what rebuilding muscle after 50 can do. It's not just about looking good, though. Let's be honest, who doesn't want to feel strong and confident in their skin? It's about independence. It's about not needing help to carry your luggage or open a jar. It's about lowering your risk of falls, fractures, and even chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease, which are linked to muscle loss. Chia seeds don't just help you rebuild muscle, they help you rebuild your life. The fiber keeps your gut healthy, which means better nutrient absorption and less bloating. The antioxidants fight oxidative stress, which ages your cells faster than you'd like. Meet Sarah, a 52-year-old teacher who thought her days of feeling strong were over. She was eating eggs every morning, hitting the gym, but still felt like her body was stuck in slow motion. She started adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to her morning oatmeal, and within weeks, she noticed her energy spiking. Her workouts felt easier, her recovery time shorter. She even started running again, something she hadn't done since her 40s. Then there's Mike, a 58-year-old construction worker who was terrified of losing his job because his strength was fading. He didn't have time for complicated diets, so he tossed chia seeds into his water bottle, letting them soak into a hydrating gel. Not only did he feel stronger, but his joint pain eased up, and he could work longer without feeling wiped out. These aren't miracles, they're real people using a real solution. Chia seeds are safe for most people, but they're not a free pass. If you're on blood thinners, talk to your doctor first. The omega-3s can have a mild blood thinning effect. And don't go overboard. Those seeds are calorie-dense, about 140 calories per ounce, so stick to 1-2 tablespoons a day to avoid packing on extra pounds. Also, always soak them in liquid before eating. Dry chia seeds can expand in your throat and cause discomfort, especially if you have swallowing issues. If you have a history of digestive problems like diverticulitis, ease into it slowly to avoid irritation. And please, don't think chia is a cure-all. It's powerful, but it works best alongside a balanced diet and exercise, not as a replacement for them. Dr. Lisa Carter, a geriatric nutritionist, calls chia seeds a near-perfect food for aging adults. She points out that their nutrient density makes them ideal for those over 50, when your body needs more bang for its buck from every bite. Dr. James Patel, a sports medicine specialist, agrees, saying, "Chia's omega-3s and protein are a 1-2 punch for muscle repair and inflammation control, especially for older athletes." Even fitness trainers are jumping on board. Maria Lopez, a certified trainer who works with seniors, says her clients who add chia to their diets recover faster and feel stronger during resistance training. A 2019 study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that older adults who consumed omega-3 rich foods like chia had better muscle function and less fatigue than those who didn't.